Hi everybody, just a very quick kind of public service announcement video for you today. I know, I said I wasn't going to do so many Tuesday videos, and now I've just done 2 on the bounce. That's just how it works out sometimes. First things first, the Measuring Up podcast is back. Yes, me and Andy Mack, Gusworth Handyman, here on YouTube, of course. We get together every couple of weeks and have a chat about life as a one-man band, carpenter, cabinet maker, joiner, whatever we want to call ourselves. Running a small business here in Britain, and of course being on YouTube and doing all the social things that we have to do to support that as well. We chat for an hour or 2 every couple of weeks, and season 4 is just about to start. We've just recorded the first episode. That's out on Monday the 30th. If you haven't caught up with the podcast yet, give it a try. You've got less than a week to do 30 episodes. I'm sure you'll manage it. You haven't got much else on, have you? So that's the main thing. I meant to put a little extra bit in this Friday's video about that, but I sort of forgot because I was caught at doing other things. So the podcast is back. Check it out in the podcast player of your choice or at measuringuppodcast.com. Really nice to talk to Andy again, and lots to discuss in this first episode. Moving on, I've got a blog. I've started a blog. It's almost like the 90s never happened. It's something I've been thinking about for a while. It's just as part of the channel website, 10minuteworkshop.com. And part of the reasoning behind it is there's often more than I want to say, surprisingly, than I can fit into a video. Also, once you've done the video, you have other thoughts about stuff that, aren't really worthy of a follow-on video, but might be worth putting down on paper in a blog. Anyway, I'm not backdating this for the whole 350 odd videos. I've backdated it for the last few. The idea is that there'll be a blog post to support each video, and it also means that I can put the links, the affiliate links and all that sort of stuff, the stuff I use in that particular video, in the blog much more readily. I'm very aware that the video description down below each video is getting very congested. There's an awful lot of stuff in there that I'm trying to squeeze in, and I just think it's a better way of doing it. I don't know if I'll be able to sustain it going forwards, because it's a lot of extra work. On the other hand, it's probably no more work, no more effort than writing the same reply out a few hundred times to people who say, have you thought about using a downcut blade, in the comments down below, for example. Anyway, the blog is available through the website, 10minuteworkshop.com, and then follow the menu, the link in the menu bar to the blog, or there's a bit.ly link, ironically, in the video description down below, which will take you straight there. Also, in the same vein, I've got an affiliate store on Amazon. I've always had affiliate links, most of the links in the video description. Certainly the ones for Amazon are affiliate links, so I get a few pennies back if you follow those links to the specific product that I'm suggesting. And I put all of those in one place. It's actually an influencer store. Influencer, me, yeah. It's an influencer store on Amazon. Again, there's a link in the video description. There's also links to all this stuff in the generic links page. I've collected all my links together in a links page, and again, there's a link to that down in the video description below, as well as having a link available directly through the website. So that's kind of it for this little video. Just a little bit of housekeeping, a little bit of general things about stuff I've got going on in the background. Part of the reason why I wanted to pull back from the Tuesday videos a little bit is to give me a bit more time to do this kind of stuff, because there's a lot more work, a lot more effort going on in the background that you don't always see and you're not always aware of. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. Do check out the Measuring Up podcast if you're not already a listener. Give it a try. I think you might like it. And don't forget, episode 31, the first episode of season 4, will be out bright and early on Monday the 30th. That's it for this week's short video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.